Hi guys, I hope you're ready to make an awesome project today. Today in your bag you will find the following materials: a wooden base, a long bare wire, one AA battery, electrical tape, one 2-inch wire, a Christmas light, a dowel stick, a popsicle stick, one 6-inch wire, and aluminum foil. Okay, the first step will be to insert the two ends of the long bare wire into the holes in the wooden base. Then grab the 6-inch wire and make a firm loop on the stripped end of the wire. Keep in mind that the smaller the loop, the harder the game is to win. Tape this end to the popsicle stick. Grab the aluminum foil and cut it in half. Take a piece and wrap it to one of the wires of the Christmas light. Make sure the wrap is very tight and fold it in half for extra support. Grab the 2-inch wire and follow the same process to wrap the other half of the aluminum foil. Next, grab some electrical tape to tape the Christmas light to one end of the battery and the 2-inch wire to the other end. Use another piece of electrical tape to tightly secure both ends of the AA battery. Connect the wires and the light should glow, just like a flashlight. Next, use another piece of electrical tape to tape the battery onto the dowel. Insert the dowel into the hole on the wooden base. Then take your loop and put it inside the long bare wire. In addition, wrap a bit of tape around one end at the level of the baseboard. This is the off position of the game. It will keep the light from turning on. Okay, last step, connect the 2-inch wire to the long bare wire on the other side of the circuit. The long wire with the loop should be connected to the other leg of the Christmas light. Use some electrical tape to cover the stripped ends. Your circuit game is now complete. To win the game, move the stick from one end of the bare wire to the other without making the light glow. Now you're ready to have some fun!